Hey, hi, this is Bob Boross, and this is my jazz and tap dance life. I'm back. I've been kind of missing in action. I've been working on a lot of projects over the summer, so for the last 6 or 7 weeks, I haven't posted a video, but I have been really working on a lot of great things and working on things for the future, but I'm glad to be back finally. This is just a little informative video. I want to tell you what I've been doing for the last 7 weeks, and also what I'm doing right now, teaching in New York City, and maybe something that's coming up on the horizon too. Let's get right to that and talk about that as much as we can. Starting in the beginning of July, I choreographed an equity musical called My Way, a musical tribute to Frank Sinatra. And it was for 4 performers, 2 male, 2 female. It was an equity production at Shadow Lawn Theater at Monmouth University in West Long Branch, New Jersey. And 50 songs that were sung by Frank Sinatra. Many are put into medleys, so it's not the complete songs, but I did all the choreography and staging for that. It went over very well. I was very happy with it, and just had a great time. And of course, so many different opportunities between tap dance, between ballroom dance, between Lindy Swing that was in there, a couple of novelty numbers. So I really got a chance to stretch my choreographic abilities and work in a very quick time. You put the whole show together in basically 9 days. So it worked out really well. Following that, I did, which I usually do every summer, a full week at CityBallet School in Hagerstown, Maryland, an excellent school. And I do their summer intensive. So 6 hours a day of teaching for a full week, 3 different levels of kids, and working on choreography that they will present when they do their show at the end of their entire intensive. So it's always good to go to City Ballet in Hagerstown, Maryland. Following that, I work with Marymount Manhattan College, where I'm on the faculty with the musical theater program, but they have a special program, an intensive in the summer, where students come from Shu Te University in Taiwan. So I taught a big group of students from Taiwan, only 4 hours, but put together a whole dance. It was actually to On Broadway, which you know by George Benson from Bob Fosse's film All That Jazz. And so we put that together, and it was performed on August the 1st at Marymount Manhattan College. So that went extremely well. I was really happy with getting that amount of work done in just 4 hours. Following that, I worked on the Dance Teacher Summit Conference here in New York City at the Marriott Marquis. I gave 2 lectures on jazz dance. The first one was how to construct a jazz dance class for children. So it wasn't actually here are the exercises, but it was here are the qualities that should be within a good jazz dance class. And it was very well attended, well over 100 teachers there for that lecture. And it was followed by another lecture, how to be a better jazz dance choreographer. Basically the same thing about really what is jazz dance, what are the qualities of jazz dance, and how you work them into your choreography. So in terms of being a better jazz dance choreographer, it's to be more truthful to jazz dance. Not that you're going to be better, I'm going to win more awards, things like that, but how do you be better at representing jazz at what jazz really should be? And that was another well-attended conference. I'm very happy, thankful to Dance Teacher Summit for asking me to come in and do that. But in the middle of all of this, ever since May, I've been doing regular weekly teaching at Broadway Dance Center in New York City, teaching tap dance, many different levels. And right now I've settled into a beginner tap class on Wednesdays, 6 to 7:30 p.m. at Broadway Dance Center. It's going quite well. In fact, I've just been extended all the way through to the end of November. So if you are in town in Broadway Dance Center, come and take, it's a beginner class, but very much strong on basics, and we do move a lot. So it's been going quite well. I'm really happy with the Broadway Dance Center, and I think more is going to happen in terms of more tap classes and also more jazz classes at BDC. So look for that. It's every Wednesday from 6 to 7:30. But now we have a little break before my academic classes start. I teach for Marymount Manhattan College in the music theater program, and also teach at Monmouth University in New Jersey at West Long Branch. And so that academic schedule starts up right at Labor Day, and I'm looking forward to choreographing the Monmouth University show, which is Company. That's going to be a great show. Certainly, I love the Sondheim music, and it was originally done by Michael Bennett, so I'm sure there's lots of great things to dig into there. So those are just a couple of things that are coming up. But I do want to do much more with this channel now that I'm back in gear with it. We're going to be posting many regular videos as I've done in the past, but also a little bit of interview with some important people in jazz dance, so you can get a lot of good background information on jazz. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to do another Monday Maddox video today. and I'm going to be working on a head isolation with coordinated arms going into the jazz fourth. So this has like 5 different progressions in it. So this is going to be the first progression, and then I will make another one to show the second one. Okay. So anyway, that's it. So if you're a subscriber, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Please hit that notifications bell. If you're not a subscriber, you should subscribe. All right. We're watching the videos. Please be on there, and we need that amount of people noticeable so that it helps with everything that we do with YouTube to make that work. So we're approaching 1,500 subscribers, which is like 700 subscribers in 7 months. Unbelievable. So I'm really happy with the response on that. So thank you all. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm back in gear, and this is Bob Boross, my jazz and tap dance life. And let's get started on that Monday Mannix video.